We kind of had hair-raising weather out there tonight for a while.
Oh, hair-raising, hair wetting, hair blowing.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, three.
Better tack it down. That's what.
Cement.
That's all I had to say.
Use cement on the hair. That's right. Okay. We had winds. We had gusts. We had trees that were blown over, and we also have had some power outages. It's all because of a very strong storm system moving through northern Utah, and you can see it here as we look at sky tracker radar. Let's zoom in on this area that is right there across northeastern Utah and find that a very strong line of thunderstorms impacted Ogden, parts of Brigham City, Logan, 48-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and now in the Bear Lake Valley, up around Soda Springs, getting those heavy thunderstorms to the south. Watch them move through the Salt Lake Valley and then eastward. Right now we're in a quiet area, but to the southwest, another zone of very heavy thunderstorms, western Millard County. This will be heading towards Nephi and also up towards Provo. Some of this, which extends northward into Nevada, will push across the Salt Lake Valley sometime in the middle of the night. So don't be surprised if we still have some more thunder, as we were talking about earlier, that could easily wake you up. Right now, looking in the Provo area, you can see the dark clouds, a little bit of light rain falling. It is getting dark this time of the night. Beautiful sunset out to the west right there is where the next line of thunderstorms is, and it'll be approaching sometime after midnight, and so expect a little more lightning, a little more thunder, and some more rain, and possibly some microburst winds. High pressure is centered around the Four Corners area. You can see that circulation. Notice the thunderstorms in the Sonora. Notice these thunderstorms in Montana. They're going in opposite directions. So as long as the high pressure is in place, then we will have some monsoonal moisture. As when the high pressure moves, then things change, and that's going to happen tomorrow and Sunday. In the meantime, look at these gusts. 73 miles per hour, Gunnison Island, west side of the Great Salt Lake. 68 miles per hour, Logan and West Jordan and Salt Lake City. 48-mile-per-hour wind gusts when this storm moved through. So again, here's the first line of thunderstorms moving into Logan and parts of southeast Idaho. Here's the next batch right there. Notice the direction, and notice it's about, this large. So if you put it about like that, it should impact from Ogden to around Delta to Provo sometime after midnight. And then we'll begin to see an improving weather pattern, because as the cold front, as this weather system moves by, here's 8 a.m. Notice the clearing skies. Notice the improving weather. Look at Saturday afternoon with the front to the south. Thunderstorms will be confined to the southern third of the state. Here in the north, it'll be improving, partly sunny. Now, I put this forecast on here at 2 a.m. Sunday. That's because the Perseids, the meteor shower, will be at its peak, 60, maybe 100 meteorites per hour, little flicks across the sky. Clear in the north, partly cloudy in the south. And then on Sunday, we start out quiet in the afternoon. We'll see those typical afternoon thunderstorms, mainly near and over the mountains. Again, the thunderstorm threat for tonight and some possible microburst winds, 68 degrees for the overnight low, around 90 tomorrow. A slight chance for a morning shower. We're talking about sunrise, maybe an hour or two before or after, possibly a little later in Provo. But for the most part, improving. 90 degrees tomorrow, not quite as hot as it has been. Now for the rest of the state, overnight low temperatures and the chance for showers and thunderstorms continuing with tomorrow's forecast. 90 in Salt Lake, 88 degrees in Logan, 81 in Evanston, chance for showers across the south, and that will continue a little bit into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, a little bit cooler next week. 90 tomorrow, early morning showers going away, partly cloudy. Sunday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy, and then Monday, slight increase. Tuesday, Wednesday, upper 80s, and a chance for a little more monsoon moisture. We just keep getting these little spurts, but it's interesting because in July, nearly the entire state, except for the northwest side of the state, had between 100 and 500% of its normal July precipitation. So the monsoon's actually been very active.
Now I have a girlfriend flying out early in the morning. Is she going to be okay at Salt Lake International?
See, the winds will be coming out of the north, so she'll take off to the north. It'll be quieter to the north, so no problem.
Fantastic. All right, thanks, Dan.
Good go.